Creating smiles, building trust. At the heart of our community lies a simple belief. Everyone deserves a smile they can feel proud of. And that's exactly why we started this journey. To create a dental clinic that isn't just a place for dental procedures, but a place for connection, trust, and care. It all began in the very city where I grew up, surrounded by family, friends, and neighbors who've been a part of my life for as long as I can remember. Also, in this bustling city, dental care often felt distant, whether it was lack of personalized service or the difficulty of finding a dentist who truly listens. I wanted to change that. I wanted to create a space that more than just about teeth, a space that feels like home. This clinic was built with a deep understanding of our community's needs. Families looking for gentle care for their kids, busy professionals who want quick and effective treatments, and seniors who need a dentist that truly understands the unique challenges of aging teeth. It's about more than just fixing a problem. It's about empowering our patients to take control of their health and well-being in a space they trust. We've carefully designed our clinic to provide a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere, one where technology and compassion work hand in hand. From the moment you step through our doors, you'll feel cared for. Our team listens, educates, and delivers high quality treatments tailored to you. But we're not just here for today. We're here for the long haul, building lasting relationships with our patients, offering a preventive care, and being there for the important moments in your life, whether it's your child's first dental visit or ensuring that you maintain a healthy, confident smile throughout your golden years, is our promise to you. We don't just want to be the dental clinic you visit for your appointments. We want also to be a partner in your health journey, guiding and supporting you every step of the way. Through word of mouth, referrals from family and friends, through the trust we built, we'll continue to grow alongside this community. Together, we'll build a healthier, happier future, one smile at a time.